Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to change Facebook profile picture without posting. So let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once in there, let's head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And it might take a while to load. So once in there, head over to your profile. And then tap on your profile. And then see the profile picture. I'm gonna save it, going back, and I will just change my profile photo now, choosing the profile photo. And as you can see, there is an option of share your update to newsfeed. So uncheck mark it and then tap on save. So as you can see, it is uploading my profile photo. Let me show you on. So to start. So as you can see, the update is done, but it is not showing any post in here. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.